Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is about creating a Costco account. Now, Costco is a membership-only store where you can buy a wide variety of items in bulk at lower prices. It also has a food court and services like pharmacy and optical center. Now, to create a Costco account, open a new tab on the browser and type costco.com. Here you can see sign in/register next to the search bar. Click on it, then click on create account, then type your email address and create a strong password. Now retype the same password to confirm your password. Here, if you have any membership number, you can enter the number, or if you don't have any, you can just let it be. Then tap on create account. And with that, you can see we have successfully created a Costco account. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and keep subscribing for more. Thank you.